Welcome to my channel. Welcome to JT Tech. Today in another video, guys, I will be showing you how you can possibly use a single name on Facebook. Guys, in this video today, I will be showing you a step-by-step trick how you can use a single name on Facebook. So guys, here without wasting any much time, let's get started with me. And guys, the first thing we're going to be doing here, we have to open our Play Store. Guys, as you can see, we have already opened our Play Store. The first thing we're going to be doing when you open our Play Store, we have to install this application, Indonesia VPN. We have to install under Indonesia VPN. This is the most recommended. Guys, as you can see, we have many Indonesia VPN. So this is the one I'm currently using. So I advise you, or I recommend that you use this particular Indonesia VPN. And after you must have installed it, here you have to click and open this application like this. So guys, as you can see, is already opening. But guys, please, before we continue, if you are visiting this channel for the first time, please, we request you that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the notification bell so you don't miss any amazing tricks every day on this channel. So guys, as you can see here, this is the application, and here we have to select our server. Here we have to select our country. So guys, as you can see, we have many Indonesia here. We have many Indonesia here. So guys, you can be able to select anyone. So for the sake of this trick, please, you have to select the free version or the free server here. So guys, here I will select this one. Let's try this one to see if it can be able to work for us. So guys, here after then, here you have to click and connect. Guys, as you can see, connect to Indonesia VPN. Connect to Indonesia VPN. So guys, you click on it like this, and here we click on OK. So guys, as you can see, it's connecting. And before we continue, you have to make sure that it is connected before you continue. Please, it is recommended that you make sure that it is connected. And guys, as you can see, it has been confirmed and it is connected. So the next thing I'm going to be doing here, here you have to again go back to your Play Store, and here you have you search on your Facebook, and please, you have to make sure that your Facebook is updated. I will be using Facebook Lite for the sake of this trick. I will be using Facebook Lite, but you can be able to use any kind of Facebook application. So guys, as you can see, my Facebook application is already up to date. So guys, here I quickly open my Facebook Lite like this, and guys, as you can see, it's already opening. So guys, it won't be opening up like this is the interface of my Facebook. And the next thing you're going to be doing here, you have to click on this three dot by your right hand side. Once you click on it, it won't be coming up like this, and here you have to scroll down, and here we have to click on this settings. We have to click on this settings. So guys, as you can see, and then it will be opening up like this, and here we click on personal and account information, and here we click on it, personal and account information. So guys, as you can see, it's already loading. So we have to wait for just few seconds, and here it has pop up. So the next thing I'm going to be doing here, you have to click on this edit, click on edit like this. And guys, as you can see, here we have our name showing already. Here we have our name already showing. So the next thing I'm going to be doing in this interface, so guys, but if you have previously changed your Facebook username, this trick will not work for you. So let me quickly delete this name. Delete this name, and here I will leave only this something. So guys, here I click on this review changes, click on this review changes. So guys, here it's asking me to insert my password, So guys, here I will quickly insert my password. So guys, you click on save changes. Wow guys, as you can see, it has worked so perfectly. Let's confirm this again. Let me quit my Facebook and let me log in again, so we can be able to confirm if this has truly worked for us or not. So guys, here let's go to our profile directly. Wow guys, as you can see, this is our name. This is the single name showing here already. So guys, this is how you can possibly change your Facebook name. This is how you can be able to use a single name on your Facebook account. This is the simplest way you can be able to use a single name on your Facebook account. Please, if you have problem on this, please drop a comment on the comment box. We are ever ready to reply to you. And if you found this video to be helpful, please we request you that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the like button, and don't forget to also share with your friends. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on my next video. Bye bye.